Okay, so we are looking at the school management plugin. First, let's start with the schools. Here you can add as many schools you want. For example, we going to add the test school, add, add his number, add email, address, some description and number. Here you can add the enrollment prefix. For example, we are adding the EN. Here you can add the base padding. Start whatever you want to start with. And for admission, I will be adding the ID. And for padding, I will be adding this 3. Okay. Let's make this 3 as well for consistency. We have added the new school. From here you can assign the classes. And from here you can add the admin or assign it if you already have a admin user. From here you can add the new classes. These classes will be assigned to a school. You can assign one class to multiple schools. For example, we can look at this session. For example, this starts with the 26 to 27. So start date is the 01/04/2026 and then date is 31/03/2027. If we go to settings, we can find the active session, date format, GDPR compliance form, and the settings for the school menu, which is here. So if you disable it, it will disappear from here. And if you go appearances, you can enable or disable it. So if you disable it and refresh, it goes back to the default WordPress look. If you enable it and change the color, it will take that color scheme. Here is the shortcode which you can find the same in the school as well. This is the reset. Here you can reset the school data. It will erase all the school data and students data. Here, if you enable this, when you will deactivate the plugin, it will erase the school data as well. Here you can check the changelog, what have been updated, and here is the generate demo data tab. That if you click this button, it will generate a school and some demo data. For example, it created one school, 2 session, 10 classes, 20 section, 100 student, and 4 admin staff member, and 50 subjects, and 33 types. If we refresh, we can go here. Here we can see the Greenfield Academy demo, which is created when we click the demo data. If we want, we can check it. So it's already selected. As you can see, 10 classes, 20 section, 50 student.